Today we're going to show you how to use the Forever Laser Dark No Cut Low Temperature paper. The first thing you need to do is print your image. Follow the setting instructions here. The next thing you want to do is warm up your heat press for 30 seconds at 155 Celsius. Once this is done, you'll need to place the A paper, which has the image on it, and the B paper on top of the A paper, and add release paper on top of both papers. Press for 90 seconds at 155 Celsius on a medium pressure. Once this is complete, you need to remove the release paper and then the B paper very carefully from the A paper. Make sure that you don't see any of the image remain on the B paper. If you do, you would need to print this image again. Make sure that the image on the B paper seems clear and transparent, as shown in this video. You will then need to cut around the A paper to remove any residue. Place your A paper onto your garment and heat press for 30 seconds on 155 Celsius. Once this has been done, make sure that the garment is fully cooled down before you remove the A paper. When you remove the A paper, make sure you do this very carefully in a sort of rolled pattern. As you can see, I left some heat press tape onto the garment, so it made it a bit more difficult for myself when I was trying to remove the A paper. You will note that the image has a gloss sort of feel to it at present. That will be removed once we use the release paper and press the garment for the last time for 30 seconds. The next thing we're going to do is put release paper onto the garment and then heat press finally for 30 seconds. This will remove the gloss effect that you currently see in this video. Image is now complete and the colours are extremely vibrant. I've been using Forever paper now for quite some time and have to say I'm very happy with the results. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.printthegoods.com. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel.